Welcome to Car Showcase. Here introducing a upcoming 2025 Ram 2500. Before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. The 2025 Ram 2500 boasts a robust high-strength steel frame, paired with an aluminum hood and active grille shutters for enhanced efficiency. Inside, premium leather-trimmed seats and wood and metal accents create a sophisticated atmosphere. A 32-gallon fuel tank ensures ample range for long hauls. Dimensions vary depending on configuration, with lengths spanning 237.3 to 260.8 inches, widths from 79.5 to 83.5 inches, heights from 77.2 to 80.9 inches, and wheelbases from 143.5 to 167.4 inches. Performance is impressive, with a top speed of 115 miles per hour and 0 to 60 mph acceleration in just 6.6 seconds. The interior features a stunning 12-inch touchscreen display, a premium audio system with 17 speakers, heated and ventilated seats, and dual-zone climate control for ultimate comfort. Exterior options include 12 colors, chrome accents, and 20-inch aluminum wheels, ensuring a stylish presence on the road. Pricing starts at around $40,000, with the top trim level reaching approximately $70,000. Additional features include advanced technology like a 360-degree camera system, trailer reverse guidance, and a multifunction tailgate. Safety features comprise adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and forward collision mitigation. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we'll meet soon in next video.